Here is a do-it-yourself how to build value into your Amazon-based brand so that you can get more money if you decide to sell it. One of the greatest things you can do yourself is to develop intellectual property that the business owns. And what we do are these videos. Every single time we create a video, every single time we own a copyright interest in this video, the one you're watching right now, and you could do the same thing. If you have a product line of 20 products, 50 products, you can create content. It could be video, it could be written content, it could be more images, and even without filing anything at all with the United States government, you automatically own copyright interest in it. And by doing that, you are building the value of your brand by developing your intellectual property. If you want to learn more about how we help Amazon sellers and Amazon brands build the value of their accounts, build the value of their business, please go to AmazonTrainingCenter.com and sign up for our first course. It is 6 parts, it's roughly 4 hours, and all it focuses on is helping you build value to your Amazon-based business and brand.